Hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Riz English Channel. How are you today? I hope you are feeling happy and ready to learn some English.
Hi, Riz. I am excited today. I want to learn more English, but sometimes I feel nervous.
Oh, I understand, Zoe. It is okay to feel nervous. Today, we will take it slow and we will have fun. By the end of this episode, you will feel more confident.
That sounds great. What are we learning today?
Today, we will learn English through real conversations. We will talk about things you can use every day. This way, you learn words and phrases naturally.
I like that. I want to speak English like a real person, not just read books.
Perfect. Let's start with a simple question. Zoe, what did you eat today for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
Very good. Repeat after me. I ate eggs and toast.
I ate eggs and toast.
Excellent. Now try, I ate eggs and toast for breakfast.
I ate eggs and toast for breakfast.
Great. You see, Zoe, small sentences like this help you practice easily.
Yes, Riz. It is easy when we do it slowly.
Let's make it a little fun. I will ask you questions and you answer. Ready?
Ready.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Very good. Repeat. I like orange juice.
I like orange juice.
Fantastic. And now try, my favorite drink is orange juice.
My favorite drink is orange juice.
Perfect. Now here is a mini challenge. I want you to ask me a question.
Riz, what is your favorite food?
Ha! Great question, Zoe. My favorite food is pizza.
Pizza. I like pizza too.
See, Zoe? Conversation is fun when we ask questions.
Yes, I feel like I am talking to a friend.
Exactly. And that is how we learn English naturally. Let's do another example. Imagine you are at a coffee shop. You want to order coffee. What can you say?
I want coffee.
Very good. But we can also say, can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Excellent. Now you try. Can I have a coffee with milk?
Can I have a coffee with milk?
Perfect. And here's a small trick. When you want something politely, always say, please.
Oh, yes. Please is important.
Right. And when someone gives you something, you say, thank you.
Thank you.
Very good, Zoe. Repeat, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Great. You are learning quickly.
I hope so.
I know so. Now, let's add a little story. Imagine you are in a shop and you see a beautiful bag. You want to ask the price.
How much is this bag?
Excellent. That is perfect. You can also say, excuse me, how much is this bag?
Excuse me, how much is this bag?
Very good. And when the shopkeeper says a price, you can say, it is too expensive. Can you give a discount?
It is too expensive. Can you give a discount?
Haha, yes, you are doing amazing. Now, let's practice together. Imagine I'm the shopkeeper.
Okay.
Hello, how can I help you?
Excuse me, how much is this bag?
This bag is $20.
It is too expensive. Can you give a discount?
Okay. $15.
Thank you. I will take it.
Fantastic. You see, Zoe, practicing like this helps you speak English naturally.
Yes, Riz. I feel more confident now.
Let's try another everyday situation. You are at a restaurant. You want to order food. What can you say?
I want food.
That works, but we can make it better. Say, I would like to order food, please.
I would like to order food, please.
Perfect. And when the waiter asks, what would you like to eat? You can answer, I would like a sandwich and a salad.
I would like a sandwich and a salad.
Excellent, Zoe. Now repeat after me. Could I have the menu, please?
Could I have the menu, please?
Very good. This is useful in restaurants. Always polite.
Yes, politeness is important.
And now, a fun story. Once, I went to a restaurant and I forgot to say please. The waiter laughed and I laughed too. I learned to always be polite.
Haha, that is funny, Riz.
Yes, and stories help us remember phrases.
True. Stories are easier than just lists of words.
Let's do another example. You are meeting a new friend. How do you say hello?
Hello, my name is Zoe.
Perfect. And I can say, hello, Zoe. My name is Riz. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Very good. Now repeat. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Nice to meet you. How are you?
Great. And when your friend answers, I am fine, thank you, you can reply, I am fine too. Thank you for asking.
I am fine too. Thank you for asking.
Excellent. Zoe, do you see how short sentences and polite words make conversations easy?
Yes, I understand now.
Now, let's practice questions. I ask, you answer. Ready?
Ready.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I like to read books and watch movies.
Very good. Repeat, I like to read books and watch movies.
I like to read books and watch movies.
Great. Now I ask another. Where do you usually go shopping?
I usually go to the market.
Excellent. Repeat, I usually go to the market.
I usually go to the market.
Perfect. Zoe, you are doing amazing.
Thank you, Riz. I feel happy.
Good. Happiness helps learning English. Now, let's talk about traveling. Imagine you are at the airport.
Oh, airports are scary.
Don't worry. Let's make it easy. First, you need to check in. What can you say?
I want to check in.
Very good. You can also say, hello, I would like to check in, please.
Hello, I would like to check in, please.
Excellent. And if they ask for your passport, you can say, here is my passport.
Here is my passport.
Great. And when they ask for your luggage, you can say, I have one bag.
I have one bag.
Perfect. Now, Zoe, imagine the security check. What can you say?
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Very good. And also, do I need to take off my belt?
Do I need to take off my belt?
Excellent. You see, small questions make everything easier.
Yes, I feel like I can travel now.
That's the goal, Zoe. Now, let's do a mini recap. We learned greetings, ordering food phrases, shopping phrases, making friends, and airport phrases.
Wow, that is a lot.
Don't worry. Repetition helps. Let's repeat together. Say, hello, my name is Zoe. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Zoe. Nice to meet you.
Good. Next, can I have a coffee, please?
Can I have a coffee, please?
Excellent. Next, excuse me, how much is this bag?
Excuse me, how much is this bag?
Very good. Next, I would like a sandwich and a salad.
I would like a sandwich and a salad.
Great. And finally, hello, I would like to check in, please.
Hello, I would like to check in, please.
Perfect. Zoe, you did amazing today.
Thank you, Riz. I feel more confident.
That is what we want. English is easier when you practice with a friend.
Yes, and it is fun too.
Absolutely. Remember, listeners, practicing daily is the key. Talk to yourself, your friends, or even your pet.
Yes, I talk to my cat sometimes.
That's great. Every word you speak helps you improve.
Riz, I feel like I can speak English better now.
I know you can. Keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
I will.
Listeners, thank you for joining us today. Remember, small sentences, polite words, and questions are your best friends.
Yes, and stories and practice make it easier.
Keep practicing. Speak with friends, watch shows, listen to podcasts, and repeat phrases.
Thank you, Riz, for making learning English fun.
You are welcome, Zoe. And to all our listeners, keep practicing, stay confident, and enjoy learning. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Riz English Channel.
Yes, keep learning and speaking English every day.
And always remember, English is not just words, it is connection. You can talk, laugh, and make friends. So keep speaking, keep learning, and keep smiling.
Thank you, Riz. I feel ready to speak English in real life now.
That is wonderful, Zoe. And thank you, listeners, for joining us. See you in the next episode with more fun conversations and useful phrases.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.
Bye.